gotta put all the bullshit on safety. See, you don't go shooting with my heartbeat. Got me dodging bullets trying to play me. Then I'm left to deal with how you hurt me. You got a whole lot of love, ain't trying to waste it. You got me running around, I never chased it. Girl, you're so pretty to me, make up and make you. Girl, you might write it down, I need to change you. But I think that I'm done tripping, I've been sipping. That's how I can
as I was saying, the longest it was 12.
A 2-month update on the Longqi Beauty hair. I showed y'all before. It came with a 16, 18, 20, and a 14-inch closure. And this is what it looks like.
Right here. So what's up? Let's get to it. So here is like a screen review of the hair, Longqi hair, Brazilian deep wave. I also I bought 4 bundles of 16-inch. I used it previously a month ago, and you can see here the pictures also.
Switch up your feelings like it's nothing. Just think I thought we had something. I wanna give everything to you. Keep on switching your feelings, girl, complain.
Hey, welcome to April and today's video.
Baby, so perfect to me, don't gotta change you. But I think that I'm done tripping, I've been sipping. That's how I control this feeling you keep giving, and I keep my head in it, you know. I could be the perfect, I need a fire. Baby girl, your love got me tripping on.
Hey everybody, it's Cornisha. Welcome back to my channel. Today this video is sponsored by Longqi Hair. I'm here with another hair review, an unboxing, just to show you guys the hair I got in the mail and how it.
Hey, what's up, you guys? This is very, very big, and I'm pretty sure you guys are able to notice that as well.
So yeah, I'll some photos of me, frontals, enclosures that